of talks this afternoon with the centre as the standoff over the farm laws enters day 58. Now, this comes after the centre had proposed a year-and-a-half long stay on the implementation of farm laws, a proposal that the farmers have taken into consideration. Shortly, the farmers are going to proceed towards Vigyan Bhavan for that meeting. Mahima and Madhurima both join me. Mahima is reporting from the Tikri border and Madhurima is at the Singhu border. Madhurima, if I could come to you first. Madhurima, give us a sense of what the response of the farmers is going to be today to the centre. We do know that yesterday they did come out and reject the proposal of the centre. The centre, of course, had said that they will place into abeyance these laws for the next year and a half. So how do we see the talks actually going forward now?
Well, when we talk about yesterday's rejection from the side of the farmers, we have to see that this was centre's best offer, especially after the farmers rejected the implementation, the stay on the implementation of new farm bills by the Supreme Court. This gave farmers some very good edge. However, initially we were getting the sense that the farmers might agree to it. However, they could request the government to increase the duration of the suspension. But after 6 long hours of deliberation at the Singhu border yesterday, they rejected it. They have once again rejected the offer of suspension on the new farm bills for 1.5 years. And right now I'm reporting from where all these buses have been parked here. You can see that in another 15 minutes the farmers will be leaving, because generally they leave 2 hours before the meeting, and we know that they will be meeting all the union ministers today at the Vigyan Bhavan at 12 o'clock. So now what we are expecting is the farmers are once going to reiterate their demand of repealment of laws. Like last time on 10th round of talks, when I spoke to them, they had mentioned very categorically that the constitution of the farm law itself was unconstitutional. Their advice or their opinion should have been sought before the before this bill was passed in the parliament. So now as soon as they come in another few minutes, we'll speak to them that as to what mindset today they'll be going to meet the union ministers, because the last offer, which was initially accepted, well, we even saw in the last round of talks that farmers even went to a different room in the premises of Vigyan Bhavan to discuss the offer, because they could not reject it immediately. There was a lot of deliberation on this offer, but finally there was no consensus between all the 41 unions of the farmers who've been protesting and camping here at Singhu border and various other borders of the national capital. Right. And finally they rejected it. So we'll have to see. Yesterday also we saw that the union minister held a meeting in the national capital last night. So we'll have to see with what new offers could the centre approach these farmers, because till now all offers have been rejected.